Hello everyone, we are from group 9. Today, we are going to be talk about the EDUCANDY, and then we will show you how to use EDUCANDY to create some simple educational games and fun activities for students to play. EDUCANDY is a website that allows teachers to quickly and easily build simple games for students to practice vocabulary and answer basic questions about content. The site offers 8 types of games ranging from crossword puzzles to multiple choice quizzes. Teacher can manually enter word lists or similar string for word content or upload data files to make games. Now, we are going to have to open it up in a web browser or Google Chrome and type educandy.com. This is EDUCANDY's main screen. You can see that if we scroll down, there will be 8 simple games that we will create together. Okay, click in the upper right where it says sign in. Now, if you already have an EDUCANDY account, you only need to enter your email and password. If this is your first time using EDUCANDY, you will need to click this register button and create your free EDUCANDY account. Type your username and your email. After that, click register button. Here, type your email and password for login. And check your email from EDUCANDY. And click the link to verify your account. Once you click the link in the verification, email it. After that, let you change your password and then it asks you to log in to your new account. Okay, after we enter, you can see the word My Account, which contains your name and email. If there is something you want to change or delete account. Okay, let's go back to my activities. It's recommending that I create a list of either words, matching pairs, or quiz question. And of course, eventually, you want to do all 3 of these once you create those lists. They'll be added here as activities. So, let's do a couple of examples. Let's start words, a list of words. So I just click on words, and the first thing it wants is just name for this particular activity. So what words are gonna be on the screen here? Part of the head. Next, your activity subject. I'll put in the human body and notice that it recognized as a school subject. So I just on the human body and then I click create. It takes me to screen where I create my list of words. Well, I type vocabulary roulette to part of the head and it's added to the list over here on the right. I'll add a few words, so give me a minute to finish creating my word list and then I'll resume the video. Okay, now that I'm done with the list, if I browse down the page, you can see that it displays for me a few games that can be played with the list that I've just created. And also notice that there is a handy button to delete your vocabulary list if you have changed your mind and you don't want it. There's also duplicate activity if you want to create a second list that's similar but a little different. I'm just gonna come down here and show you a couple of these games. There's the classic word search. It can be helpful to students with spelling and word recognition. So we only need to look for the words listed on the right side by sliding to the right, up, down, and say the words according to the spelling of the requested word. If you click this button, it resets back to a blank game. There is also an option to stop and continue the game with the letter I symbol. And notice that there is also a full screen option, which is really great, especially if you want to use this as a whole class activity and have the entire class looking up the screen trying to find the words. I'm gonna click part of the head to show you the next game, Spell It. This game is like spelling and guessing letters and is given a line according to the number of letters that will be casted. When you are wrong, the color of the letters will change and the chocolate bar will be gradually eaten until the game is over. If you have found the requested word, there will be a next button to find other words. I'm gonna click again on the part of the head to quickly show you how to play anagrams that is very similar to the two previous games, which is also a lot of fun. Here we will sort random words into the correct words. If we sequence it wrong, we cannot score, and then animation on the right side won't get higher.
Now let's try to make a game with the second model. It is matching pairs, and we go back to my activities. Please click the matching pairs, fill in the name of the subject. Here I will put vocabulary builders. And here fill the quiz title or topic that will be used in this game. I will put match the word with their Indonesian equivalents and then click rate. Next, please fill in the question by clicking text. The word and the answer that has been prepared before, like this. And then click Add Pair. To enter a question in the form of image and sound, it is not free or paid. So, questions that have been entered will appear here under the rating of the current pair. In this matching pairs game, you have to prepare 9 questions. So in this game, I will enter 10 questions as an example. Here you can also delete activities and also copy them. Then scroll down to try to play the game that has been made. Please click on the one of the 5 games that can be played with the material or question that has been entered. Here there are 5 game options. It is multiple choice, now can process, crossword, match up, and then memory. If you want to play the game that was made earlier, then click multiple choice and then click play. Answer by choosing one of the 4 questions that you think the right answer with this question. There is also time here to measure how long it took you to doing tasks in this game, and there is also a score that you get. Click here again to try another game and scroll down, and let's try playing the game now and crosses. And then click play and choose a play mode. For now we try to play with the computer, and you have to drag this answer alternately with the computer, and also you have to arrange a strategy to form a series of nouns and clauses like this. I will try to play it. Yes, I win! So let's try to another game. Click here again and choose the game. So we choose crossword and play the game. Click play. Select a question and then answer the question by arranging the letters of the answer like this. And there is a time to show how long we have been working on this test.
Now, click this one to try another activity of games. After that, you have to scroll down and choose Match Up Activity and click play. If you are ready, let's play the game. As you can see on the screen, at the top there are several question boxes and at the bottom are the answers. To do this game, you have to hold down the correct answer until it turns yellow. Then, drag the answer option and enter it into the question box. Do the same thing until all questions are answered. Please give me some time to finish this game. And on the side of the screen, you can see the time you spent to finish this game. After that, you have to click here again and try another activity of games. Next, you have to scroll down and choose Memory Activity and click play. If you're ready, let's play the game. In Memory Activity, you have to click on Close Word and then you have to find matching word so that they stay open and not closed anymore. Do the same thing until all the word find appears. Please give me some time to finish this game. As previously on the side of the screen, you can see the time you spent to finish this game. Okay, let's try to make game with the last model. It is quiz questions. And now click quiz question and fill in your activity name and your activity subject and then click create. After that, select add word and you can fill a question, the correct answer, and some incorrect answer. After that, click add question. To play this game, you have to make at least 3 questions. I have set up a few questions, and you can see that what you get is multiple choice activity. And then you can click play. When the activity will start, you get a countdown. For one question, you get 30 seconds to answer it. If you are wrong, then the time starts. You only need to choose one correct answer and do the sum until finish this game. Please give me some time to finish this game. On the right side of the screen is the timer and score you get. To share games that have been created, you have to go back to My Activities and scroll down the page, and then you can select one that you would like to your student or your friend to play. You can click share and you have to copy the code or link this game to share. After trying all games, now click the app page and you can see where you can download the EDUCANDY application for free. You can download on App Store, get it from Microsoft, and get it on Google Play. After all the tutorials are explained, we hope this video can be useful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.